everybody, and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a simple weight converter in Python from kilograms to pounds or vice versa. So this is how it will look like when we're finished. Let's say a scenario could be you put something on a scale and it weighs about 56. 56 in what? Kilograms or pounds? Let's say it was in kilograms. And then this program will convert it and tell you it is about 123 pounds. But if you would like the exact, you can say 123.4588, etc. in pounds. Alright, so that's what it will look like when we're done. So let's start writing the code. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is enter your variables. So the first one will be weight, and you want to set that to the input of the user. And you can prompt them to say enter weight. And if you would like, you can say do not enter unit for now, but I just said enter weight. Then you can say unit as your second variable, and also put that to the input of the user, and prompt them to say either kg in kilograms or lbs for pounds. Now, for this one, you can have them either say kilograms in kg or the word kilograms. Same thing with pounds, but I will not do that. This is very simple. So if you would like to extend it, this is a good way to practice. You can add your own extension of the code so it'll work if they say kg or the word kilograms. Alright, but I won't do that in this video, so yeah. Alright. Again, this is extremely simple. Anyone with basic knowledge of Python can achieve it. So yeah, there are two more if statements you need to do. And the first one is for kilograms to pounds. So you say if units equals kg for kilograms, then weight equals floats weight. Now, if some people might not want it as a decimal or an exact prediction, so you can put int, but I prefer floats because it gives you a decimal. Alright, then you say multiply that by this decimal, because this is the formula for weight conversion from kilograms to pounds. Alright, so it would be 2.24046226185. Alright, now after that, simply you can say and print weight, and I spelled that wrong again. Weight, and you can say lbs if you would like, just so they know it's in pounds. Now, for the second if statement, I'll let you guys pause the video and try that on your own. It's pretty much the same thing, you just replace a few things. So go ahead and pause the video, and if you're doing this with me, try this on your own. And we're back. Alright, so I hope you tried this on your own because it will really help you grasp the coding language and how it works and how this program actually works. So it's pretty much the same thing, except this time you say if unit equals lbs for pounds, say weight, float weight, and instead of multiplying by this, you're going to divide by 2.205, so 2.205. And then print weight in kilograms. And that's pretty much it for the code. Like I said, very simple, very basic. Anybody with basic knowledge of Python can achieve this. This was also one of my very first programs that I ever coded. So it's pretty basic, and I don't know, you might like these basic tutorials, but I'll try to give some advanced tutorials out there on YouTube, but this one was pretty basic. So that's it for the code. I'll run it again in PyCharm, but the opposite of what we did before. So first we did kilograms to pounds, now I'll do pounds to kilograms. So let's say it weighs about, 47 kilograms. It will be about 104 pounds, or for the exact 103.61726, etc. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.